Hello everyone, this is Vignesh. In this video, I will show you the demo of how to create an application in Zoho Creator at free of cost. And also I will explain about a little bit about a Zoho Creator. So you see in Zoho they have the 35 plus products like a Zoho Books, People, Zoho Inventory, Zoho Payroll, Zoho CRM. They have lots of products. So each and every product except the creator, they are all developed for a specific purpose. For example, if you are using Zoho Books, it's specially developed for accounting purpose. You can create a sales order invoice and you can give an estimate to your customer, and you can filing a GST within the Zoho Books itself. That features are available in a Zoho Books. Likewise, if you are using a Zoho Inventory, same like that, you can create a sales order invoice and packages, and you can track the shipping, and you can create a delivery channel, and you can track the stars. Everything you can track within that Zoho inventory. So likewise, Zoho People, Zoho Payroll, everything it's developed for a specific purpose. If you go with the creator, the purpose of the creator is to customize your application. It means you can, for example, if we have a different requirement, it is not suited with the Zoho Books or Zoho Inventory or any other product in a Zoho. At that point, at that requirement, we can do that with using Zoho Creator. For example, if you need education management or a complex ERP solution, if you want like a SAP, for that we can achieve using Zoho Creator. Comparatively, the price also is low than the other product. I will show you the pricing details here. Creator pricing is starting with 400 rupees in INR. You can see the pricing of Zoho CRM. It starts with 720 rupees per month. Okay, so you can see the pricing also comparatively low. Now we'll go with the creator. So I will show you now I'm going to show you creating an application in a Zoho Creator with a free of cost. So you can, if you do a search marketplace.zoho.com, here you can see the custom maps. There's a lot of apps which is available in a Zoho Creator at free of cost, also the paid one. You can see I do a filter over here. You can see the lot of apps which is available in marketplace. You can install any one of them from this one, and you can use that in your account. Let me show you installing application from marketplace and creating an application in Zoho Creator, both in this video. So I'm going to install Assignment Tracker. So here you can see the screenshots of how the application will look like, and the dashboard and something. You can see that, and you can also see the developer data. I'm going to install this application. It will ask you the details. So normally Zoho provides a 15 days of free plan. So you can, if you feel the Zoho is suitable for your business solution, I will assure you definitely it will fulfill your need. So you can try with the initially try with the 15 days free plan and install this application in a marketplace or somewhere. Uh, then you can utilize this Zoho Creator. It take a few seconds to install. Let us wait. After installing that application, it will go into that particular app in your account. That's it. So you can create and you can use an application within 2 minutes. Sorry, yeah, you can install that application from the marketplace within 2 minutes. It doesn't take that much time. So you can install multiple apps from the marketplace, or you can install from your homepage of the app itself. You can do a, these are all the apps which is available. You can install any one of them: incident tracker, conference room booking, gym management. I'm going to install this one. So like this, there is a lot of application which is available in the Zoho marketplace at free of cost. So you can install this application. You can do a search and check that application which one suit for your business. Then you can install that. Then try for a couple of days. Then you can get to know if you need any customization. There will be an separate developer is available for a Zoho creator application development. You can find that. Also the Zoho solution provider, also partner companies are there. You can hire them for a customization. They will help you to develop an application with more beautiful. So so that's it. So you can see the different forms and dashboard. So first thing, I have to fill the gym name I fill as a Vignesh Gym 96002585 and gym address Chennai. Just give it. Sorry. So now I can see the dashboard. How many members are there? What is the today attendance? How much revenue high end? How many members are there? How many trainers are there? There's a complete dashboard. You can see the entire thing within the dashboard itself. Okay, so currently you don't have a DOTA, so it's look like this. So you can try with the Zoho creator. Hope everyone like Zoho creator and you can going to use this Zoho. Thanks for watching.